Hey there everybody, you're traveling with Jack, and as always, my heavenly wife Pam. We're out and about today taking a walk in our historic town of Jacksonville, Oregon, where you can still enjoy the past in the present with modern day features. This is a town steeped in history. All throughout the town, you'll see little old churches like that dating back to the 1800s. Off to our left here, this is the historic City Hall and Courthouse. Jacksonville was once the county seat of Jackson County, Oregon, back during the gold rush days, until in the early 1920s, they moved the county seat to Medford because the gold kind of had the gold bust after having the gold rush. But the town today is home to about 3,000 people. And again, it's a mix of historic buildings. There's also new construction here. And of course, one of the things that people love to come here for are all the little shops and restaurants. We're just going to take you on a little walking tour today. Maybe if you got 5 or 6 minutes, you'll check this out. Notice too, even here on the walkway, it's all got little plaques and things down in the concrete there, talking about the history of Jacksonville. And off in the distance there, that's the old original Presbyterian church. They now have a big new facility, but still the old one is used. This is the Mustard Seed Cafe, which unfortunately had to close today. They said they had a mechanical issue. There are also a number of bed and breakfasts that you can visit here as well. And then on the corner here, the Street Bistro. And I will tell you, there's some outstanding food to be had there. And we're not talking about a burger and fries. Here's another old historic building, Karuski House. Karuski House, yeah, 1856. And it's now home to an art studio and gallery. There are also numerous wineries that you can visit in and around the area. Across the way there, that's a bicycle shop, high-end bicycle shop. Here's one of our tasting rooms that we have here in town. Now notice it says building only is for sale. Sounds like a pretty good investment because you've got a working business that is still operating. Across the street, the McCulley House. Beautiful inn there, dining, lodging, wine tasting. Across the way, a little coffee shop. There's the wine tasting room. There's a place called the Miners Bazaar. You can go in there and they have art featured by local artists, but you can also learn how to do different things. It says it was Dr. Will Jackson's house back to 1868. As we continue along, there you can see to the left a few more shops and restaurants. Las Palmas, there's a couple of 3 nice little Mexican restaurants here. This kind of reminds me of being in Mayberry to some extent. People have said that. They've often compared Jacksonville to Mayberry because right here we have the local garage. Not a filling station anymore. They don't sell gas, but you can get your car repaired there. And now we're entering the historic district of downtown. Notice how people stop here. They'll let you cross the street. Oh yeah, we got banks. You need a little money. And this town may be from the 1800s, but they also have them their fancy ATM machines. And we'll continue along here. More shops. This ahead is the historic Jacksonville Inn. This dates way back to the 1800s. Folks who made a lot in gold would come here, and now it's got a beautiful restaurant. You can eat either upstairs or downstairs. Hey, another bank. There's also a historic bank up here that's actually a museum. And we've got sushi. You see the building there called Beekman's Express? It's also Yumi Sushi, U-M-I-S-U-H-I. Some say it's yummy sushi, which I bet it is, no pun intended. There's also As I mentioned, lots of history here. You'll find plaques and such. This is the historic Beekman Bank. As we come across over here, we've got an Old Town Saloon as well. Notice traffic stops as I walk across the street. Side streets, there's more wine tasting rooms and gift shops. There you go, the Boomtown Saloon. You got the Jacksonville Tavern. Over there, Farmhouse Treasures. They have fresh fudge. There's a kitchen store. Carefree Buffalo. You want a high-end coat, cost you $1,000, go there, you'll get it. Up here, look at all these folks. They're so excited. They've just been to Terra Firma. Excitement, huh? Yeah. It is a great store, though. They sell everything from kitchen knickknacks to furniture for your living room. And yeah, we've got an old-time barbershop. Bella Union. Again, just about anything you could want. You're going to find it right here in historic Jacksonville. The town is slowly recovering from the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, and it's coming back to life. So my advice is, you're looking for a place maybe to visit, or maybe a place to live a lifetime. Come check out Jacksonville, Oregon. Lots of friendly folks here. They'd love to have you and welcome you with open arms. Until we see you the next time, be sure and subscribe to our channel. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your family. That's Traveling with Jack and Pam. You guys have a great day and a better tomorrow.